199,980 kilometers driven by this car. Now, I am planning to end this video when this car hits 200,000. Obviously I can't wear a face mask in the car, otherwise people will think I'm a terrorist and call the cops on me, so my face is blurred. Don't worry, I'll do a face reveal someday. But for now, blurry face. G'day mates, how you all legends doing? And people call me the Babadoe. And welcome to Lancerlot's 200,000th birthday, whatever. Basically, my first car has reached 200,000 kilometers. I plan to take you all on a story time drive. This is what happens when you get duct tape. Don't worry, I'm safe. No one's on this road. This is what happens when you use duct tape to tape down your GoPro. Anyway, so this is my first car, a Lancer 2011 sedan. Yes, it's got Bluetooth, everything you want, automatic. It's got everything you want in your first car. Now, as a first car, it's had quite a lot of adventures. It's been caught on fire. There's been a goat standing on it. It went in a lake. Jesus, what else is this? It's been in a ditch. I'll have photos around the screen to show you as evidence. Yeah. Have I had problems with it? No, not really. It's been a generally good car. It's been on plenty of adventures. And I love it to bits. I've named it Sir Lancelot after the knight. Oh, that's right. And yeah. This is my first car. When I bought it off a family friend for $3,000, which seemed quite cheap. It was like a discount, the classic family discount. I'm not really a car person. My friends are. 3 of my friends are mechanics, and every time they talk about cars, I'm kind of confused. Can't just do the classic nodding the head, just agreeing with whatever they say. Yeah, alright. Which story to start off first? I hate it. I had it all in my head, and then when I'm on camera I forget it all. But yes, to reiterate, the video will end when this car hits 200,000 kilometers traveled. When the car's basically dead, when it has died, deceased, passed away. Basically the time you should sell it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Alright, what else? I've hit a pole with this car. Yeah, so me and my friends are at the KFC, as always, and my friend was on a Harley behind us, watching me back out. Now, I had faith in him. I had trusted him to let me know if I was going to do anything dangerous or stupid, like hitting a pole. No, he just sat there and watched and laughed in my misery. Yeah, so there's a big scratch on the back of it. I had a blue spray paint that I tried to spray on it to repair it. It didn't work. Oh, the best feature of this car, cruise control. So you can develop the driving with knees technique. Even though when a copper has a look, they'll probably pull you over. Oh! I should tell the stories of why I am on 1 point. Yes, I am on 1 point on my license. I had 4. and I've had 3 incidents where I've just lost 1 point. The first incident, I was working as a delivery driver for a Turkish shop, and so it was my friend's birthday and I forgot to get him a gift. So silly old me said, oh, I have to make a delivery, it's an hour's drive. And being a gullible Turkish shop, they believed me. So I went for a drive, and the new game Call of Duty Black Ops 4 came out. Yeah, Black Ops 4, and we all wanted to play it, but my friend couldn't afford it at the time. Oh, sorry about that. That's my alarm for end of work, because I need an alarm. Anyway, so I went as far. It was pitch black at night. It was like at 8 p.m. at night. I went for this delivery drive to get my friend this game. So I went into the only stores open at the time, which was Target. Bought the game, and now I had to the menu law something, I don't know. I can't remember. They had an app to track me, basically. Can't turn, I have to be slowed down. Anyway, they had an app that could track me, so I had to rush back to the restaurants as fast as I could. So it was pitch black, there was a road with no lights, speeding van got me. And they just got me, it was like 14 kilometers. If I was doing 15 kilometers, it would have been 2 points. So I got off with 1 point. I had to spend the money I worked that day to pay it off, and I basically didn't learn my lesson. Now the next time, so basically that was a speeding fine. Speeding fine, 1 point off. The next lesson was, the next fine, or point off my license, was for driving in a bus lane. And the time it was recorded was at 3 a.m. in the morning. So I thought I deserved some leeway. Anyway, as you all should know, my dream job is to become a filmmaker, which is why I'm doing YouTube. I'm doing YouTube to practice, and yeah, basically just practice. And it's because it's fun as well. I'm starting to really enjoy making these videos. I hope to make a lot more. If no one's watching, at least one person which is watching, which is me, just because I find them fun. And some of my friends do too. Anyway, off track. So there was a guy down in Sydney, and I live around 3 hours away, 3 to 4 hour drive away from Sydney. And he said, I'm doing a TV show. I want you to be a part of it. I'm like, sweet, finally, my big break. So I saw that ad. Well, it wasn't an ad, he messaged me at like around about 8 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm like, brilliant. So I start the drive down to Sydney. And it's just, halfway through, it was 12 at night. I didn't have a place to stay or anything. Now I'm kind of casual. I don't want fancy stuff, or I just do what is necessary. So I slept in my car. Now the problem with that is you have to find a car spot. So I was just driving all over Sydney trying to find a safe car spot that I could just sleep in. I mean, I found a great spot. You could see the bridge. It was actually underneath the Sydney Harbour Bridge. That's where I slept. Woke up, Opera House, sunset. It was great. All around, great trip. But during my time finding a car spot where there was 3 a.m. in the morning, I drove through a bus lane, not realizing it. It was like a second as well. It was so real. And the camera got me, and yeah, rest is history. Lost a point, got a fine. Had to use my apprenticeship money to pay for that, and so forth. And then the last one I got was for speeding again, which was another point. That one was fair. It was just early in the morning. I was heading off to work. It was 5 a.m. I think my work started at 6 a.m. that day. And I was just driving. Didn't really realize. Didn't drink much coffee. That was fair. I fully accept that. Yeah, that's how I'm down to 1 point, so I don't do too many dangerous things with my car now because I'm worried about losing that extra point. Yeah. Alright. Oh, I'm trying to think. Because those incidents with my car, the goat standing on it I was just working at a farm. A herd of goats approached my car. As I was putting on architraves of a window, I looked out and saw they were all huddling around my car to either just, I don't know, they saw it as warm. There was a lot of them underneath it, and one decided to just jump on the top of it. I'm like, what the hell? So I run out, try to like get it off. I don't know how. I think my boss came out as well. Took a Snapchat story of it. It was just hilarious. You know when you have your first car, you're just attached. Well, some of you are not. My neighbour still has his first car, which I find amazing. But I just want to keep this car forever. It's like never give a pet a name or a car a name, otherwise you get attached. Yeah, that is the situation. And I love this car. My Lancerlot. Yeah, it's just I don't know what to say. Because before this, I thought I had a million stories. I'm like, easy. I can talk about Lancerlot all day. But now I'm here. I can't really. Can't think of anything. With this car, I had to. So I had my old phone transferred into a radio station because this has Bluetooth. And it was such, you have to talk to this car, like, to get it connected to Bluetooth. It's ridiculous. Oh, it's so dumb. You have to like talk to it, make your own account with it. What kind of car do you have to make an account with? Seriously. Stupid. Really bugs me. The fastest I've gone in this car was around, I'd say 170. Between 170 and 180. We're going for a coast trip, which we deem coasties as it's like the final, it was like a holiday for the end of the school year. Which was fun. Oh, I drove on tram tracks. That's another thing. It's Dare's night. You get points for just doing ridiculous shit, and there was a pot of money. We came second, which was bullshit. We did the most sick. I even got a tattoo. And we still didn't win. So yeah, that's me and Lancerlot. All around good car. I haven't had any problems. I hit a route, which was not fun. I was going to one of my friends' band concerts. Yeah, he was just playing in a local pub, I guess. And yeah, as I was heading over there, I hit a route, dead in my car. Thought it was fine, wasn't fine. Had to replace the grille and the big metal bumper. Had to replace that. Yeah. Overall, I haven't crashed. Those are the only kind of accidents. So yeah, if you're in the town of getting a first car, I would recommend getting a Lancer. It's an automatic, which I recommend learning in first before you do manual. I don't know, that's kind of confusing. Leave a comment below. Do you reckon you should learn manual first or learn automatic first? I'm going to say automatic because as a first driver you're less likely to crash because you're not thinking about many things. But then again, if you learn manual, it's a hard topic. Alright, we're about to reach it. We're at 199998. The final drive. I think I got enough stories for one video. At least I can cut it down. Yeah, it's been a good ride. Thank you, Lancelot. It was an honor. Yeah, so if you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike and a comment below saying why you didn't like it. Subscribe so I know that you care. Anyway, I'll see you mates in the next one. Bye guys.